In this video we will be discussing my top 5 choices for coins with the most potential in 2018 and beyond. 2017 was the year of the bull for cryptocurrencies, experiencing a market growth from 17M to 580M at the time of writing, based on CoinMarketCap.com. With this growth, we have seen some impressive projects surface, introducing new ways for value and information exchange with the use of cryptography. However, due to the overwhelming information and countless cryptos to choose from, we decided to create a list of promising cryptocurrencies based on upcoming roadmaps, adoption possibilities, foundations set in 2017, and practicality in use cases. With 2018 right around the corner, here are some projects we project to do extremely well in the upcoming year. Number 5. Request Network, REQ, often referred to as the PayPal 2.0. Request is a decentralized network that allows anyone to request a payment, a request invoice, for which the recipient can pay in a secure way. All of the information is stored in a decentralized authentic ledger. This results in cheaper, easier, and more secure payments, and it allows for a wide range of automation possibilities. The request team has also gained a lot of credibility due to their previous experiences. Created Monetas, a money transfer company, backing by Y Combinator, one of the largest accelerators in Silicon Valley, backed companies like Airbnb, Coinbase, Dropbox, etc., as well as the regular and transparent updates rare to encounter in the cryptosphere. In Q4 of 2017, Request also came out with a minimum viable product, which functions surprisingly well and shows, in a snapshot, how big of a problem they are set out to solve. What is also important to know is that Request is not just payment processing, but also includes benefits such as efficient and automated invoicing, identity protection, smart auditing, fast and cheap value exchange, and cross-currency transactions, meaning that you can pay in whichever currency you want, and the receiver gets the currency they desire. With one of the most needed and viable use cases in the financial industry, highly anticipated 2018 roadmap, and impressive backing, Request Network is expected to grab a significant part of the highlight in the coming year. Number 4. Elmas.go. Elmas.go is set out for success due to extensive industry connections and strong demand for what they aim to accomplish. The parent company, Elmas, has a team of over 130 staff members across multiple countries, while the project is endorsed by notorious names like Vitalik Buterin and Gavin Wood, to name a few, both of whom serve as advisors for the team. So what exactly is their purpose? Unbank the Banked is the slogan of Elmas.go, with which they aim to revolutionize the financial dynamics between a multitude of currencies. They are targeting individuals and businesses of all sizes by improving the current financial system that is slow, outdated, and inaccessible to most everyday people in SEA. With their online exchange, Elmas.go seeks to enable instantaneous and efficient cross-currency transactions, which will act both between fiat currencies and cryptocurrencies. Upon success, you will not need to exchange money when traveling the world or convert money for international wires. Just send the currency of choice and the recipient receives his/her currency of choice, maintaining low fees and near-instant transactions. With their platform, they can revolutionize the way global finance works by eliminating all restrictions and adopting a single-click swipe scan mechanism for all transactions. Elmas.go has already been building partnerships in the SEA region and recently partnered with McDonald's and Credit Suisse. With a capable team, impressive 2018 roadmap, and extensive connections, Elmas.go can become one of the forerunners of the coming year. Number 3. IOTA. IOTA is an open-source distributed ledger protocol launched in 2015 that goes beyond blockchain through its core invention of the blockless tangle. The IOTA tangle is a quantum-resistant directed acyclic graph, DAG, whose digital currency, IOTA, has a fixed money supply with zero inflationary cost. The goal of IOTA is to improve the issues of blockchain solutions through a transaction validation network that is not subject to POWs, while removing scalability issues by actually getting faster as more people use it, not the other way around seen with coins like BTC and ETH. You also don't have to subsidize miners, so there are no fees on transactions. Instead, when issuing a transaction in IOTA, you validate 2 previous transactions. This means you no longer outsource validation to miners, which requires wasteful amounts of computing power and usually a large stake of coins. These required resources are, in effect, centralizing the currencies which many believe were created to be decentralized in the first place. With a hard-working, dedicated and capable team, the project has been able to charm interest and participation from giant global companies referenced here, some of which have already partnered up with IOTA. The consistent progress, strong foundations and the ability to secure impressive partnerships validates the need and use case of IOTA, making it set for success in 2018. Number 2, NEO. NEO claims to have learned from Ethereum's mistakes and implemented various technical differences to be positioned as the world's premier smart contracts platform. One differentiating factor is the variance of programming languages supported, while Ethereum relies on its own developed language that developers must learn before contributions. Moreover, NEO has built its own consensus mechanism called EBFT, which is a lot faster and already allows staking and voting in order to involve people taking part in the consensus process. Additionally, with NEO, you don't have to pay your share in the network to get access to services, because there is a dividend that NEO generates, called gas. Gas is used for all system fees, as they believe a transaction coin should be decoupled from a share coin, similarly as you don't pay for a MacBook in Apple shares. With an extremely capable and credible in-house development team, focused on developing the platform, development communities such as City of Zion, NEO Tracker and Peter Linux, focused on developing dApps on the platform, as well as countless projects launching on their blockchain in the coming year, NEO has positioned themselves to become a real powerhouse in 2018. Number 1, Walton Chain. Walton Chain is a unique project aimed at creating a complete ecosystem of RFID chips, readers, and mother-plus-child chains. The benefit of such system is to achieve full automation and transparency in value and information exchange through bridging the physical and virtual ecosystems, creating a world based on the improved Internet of Things, referred to as the VIOT, Value Internet of Things. By introducing a decentralized transaction record and storage technology based on cryptographic principles, Walton Chain is set out to overcome the current limitations of IoT, meaning that all objects and information can be interconnected without centralized actors. Walton Chain is also projected to have no scaling issues due to the integration of limitless child chains, as well as removes restrictions of not being able to combine real-world live data with blockchain. While there are various other IoT-based blockchain projects, none are currently comparable to arguably the strongest technical teams, innovation, extensive partnerships, practical use cases for real-world usage, working product waiting for integration, the world's first one-click POS plus POW miner wallet, and more. To add to that, Walton Chain is already contracted by multiple Chinese provinces and municipalities to offer IoT plus blockchain solutions for their cities and industrial zones. Please refer to the summary of current Walton Chain's partnerships. Put simply, we live in a world built on companies competing for data, and Walton Chain can help boost this operational efficiency and automation. With a mainnet release in Q1, one of the strongest use cases in blockchain currently, wide range of partnerships, as well as already working hardware and software solutions for companies, Walton Chain has the potential of surprising everyone as the biggest project in 2018.